rigid SeekTech SR20 locator is the easy way to fast, accurate locates you can trust. The SR20 receiver gives you active and passive line tracing modes, as well as a sonde mode that lets you pinpoint remote transmitters like the ones in SeekSnake camera systems. The SR20 gives you the accuracy you need and the speed and ease of use you want, so you can locate with confidence. The heart of the SR20 is its one-of-a-kind antenna system that picks up the signal equally from all directions, so there are no nulls or places where the signal cannot be seen. A powerful digital processor analyzes the signal and displays the results on the large mapping display that shows you the target signal's location and direction, strength, and depth. These signal readings are all available in real time, so you can compare and evaluate them as you work. With a real-time readout of the signal's position and direction, the SR20 makes it easy to acquire the signal and position yourself over it. And thanks to the advanced antenna system, you'll stay locked onto the signal no matter how the receiver is aligned with it. And if the line you're tracing makes a turn, you'll see it instantly on the display, so you can turn with it and keep right on going. With the SR20's multiple on-screen indicators, locates can be done quickly and accurately. When both indicators on the mapping display are centered on the crosshair at the same time, you're looking at a good undistorted signal, and you can trace it swiftly and easily. When the indicators are not centered at the same time, you'll see it instantly and know that something is distorting the signal. In situations like this, you can use the numeric indicators in addition to the visual elements to get more information about the signal and determine whether or not you can reliably mark the line. No other locator makes it this fast and this easy to see how trustworthy the signal is. The SR20 gives you a patented new process for locating passive RF signals that delivers unrivaled results when doing blind sweeps. You get better recognition of conductors, and just like with active frequencies, the mapping display shows you the signal's location and direction. This eliminates the need for the type of time-consuming search patterns required by conventional locators. To demonstrate the power of the SR20's passive RF capabilities, we've applied an 8 kHz signal to a water line using Direct Connect, and we positioned ourselves over it. Here's what the display looks like with the active 8 kHz signal. Now we'll turn off the transmitter and switch the receiver to passive mode. As you can see, we're getting a signal reading that's just as usable. This powerful feature makes passive locating a viable alternative for more than just power cables. SeekTech gives you capabilities far beyond any conventional receiver. With the SR20, you can follow a signal's path even when you're not directly over it. Just point the receiver's mast toward the signal and keep the line centered on the display. Now you can follow the signal safely from the curb and only step into the street to verify the signal and place your marks. Only SeekTech gives you this kind of speed and flexibility. The SR20 also gives you a fully automatic depth readout that's always available on screen as you work, so you never have to stop, change modes, push a button, or wait while a depth reading is calculated. The SR20 makes short work of locating remote transmitters, or sondes, like the one in this rigid SeekSnake video pipe inspection system. To locate a sonde, you have to know approximately where to begin looking for it, and with the SR20, that's easy. Simply extend the receiver and sweep it slowly in an arc. When the signal reading in the top left corner of the display is highest, the receiver's mast will be pointed in the sonde's direction, so you can walk right toward it. Once you get close, you can use the mapping portion of the display to quickly pinpoint its exact position. Only rigid receivers make sonde locating this fast and this easy. Locating is a tough job that requires tough equipment. That's why the SR20 locator has been rigorously tested to ensure reliable operation in demanding conditions. And that's why Rigid can offer a lifetime warranty against material defects and workmanship on all our locating products. The SR20 includes a hard case, user's manual, instructional DVD, marker chips and batteries. To complete your system, add a SeekTech transmitter and inductive clamp, and you'll have everything you need for fast, accurate locates in all circumstances. The rigid SeekTech SR20 receiver is the clear choice for fast, accurate locates you can trust. With the SR20, you get multi-directional antennas, a large mapping display that shows you the target signal's location and direction, 4 completely independent signal measurements all available simultaneously, and a real-time fully automatic depth reading that's always available while you work. With conventional receivers, you just can't get these features. The choice is clear. If you want fast, accurate results you can trust, you want rigid SeekTech locators.